right, this is the Chef Pierre Cobbler double crust. I hope it is like the legendary Pet Ritz cobblers. This is a 6-pounder purchased at Food Outlet in Noonan, Georgia. These are very difficult to get if you're not in the food service industry. So looking forward to seeing this guy. We're gonna bake it at 400 for 85 to 90 minutes. Let's cover this off. Ooh, look at that. That's dynamite. It calls to bake this for 90 minutes. We did it for 80 minutes and pulled it. This is what it looks like. We're spreading out a little butter on the old Chef Pierre. Looks dynamite. Double crust 6-pounder. Yum. It was browning and the juice was boiling and bubbling. Still see it. All right, got this. It's been setting for 40 minutes. It calls for setting for, gosh, what? 2 hours, but this looks fantastic. It's double crust. We just knocked out 3 big adult servings with this, and we used about a quarter of the tray. It's super yummy. This really reminds me of the old Pet Ritz 2-pounder we used to sell in the stores. Double crust on top and bottom. Peaches are delish.